Jingdacheng Electronic is a leading power resistors manufacturer in China, and we always focus on providing virus resistors and loading solutions since 1997. With 26 years growing up, JDC has a professional team for resistor designing, manufacturing, and quality control. Also, we have 3 automatic factories. Now we are at the 2 factory of JDC, JDC Dongguan branch, Dongguan Ruisister Electronical. Here is the list of main products in these 2 factories.
Neutral grounding resistor. The system voltage of neutral grounding resistor is from 1 kV to 110 kV. The faulty current from 1 ampere to 2000 ampere. IP protection level from IP23 to IP54. It is widely used for transformer and generator protection. Dynamic braking resistor. The rated power of dynamic braking resistor is from 1 kW to 100 kW. Duty cycle from 30% to 100%. IP protection grade from IP23 to IP54. It is widely used for elevator, inverter, and VFD. Load bank. The rate power of load bank is from 10 kW to 5000 kW. IP grade from IP23 to IP54. It is widely used for generator test and battery load life test. Wirewound power resistor. The rated power of wirewound power resistor is from 25 watt to 5000 watt. Resistance range from 0.05 ohm to 100 k ohm. It is widely used in elevator, load test, and inverter braking. Aluminum house resistor. The rated power of aluminum house resistor is from 50 watts to 5000 kW. Resistance range from 0.1 R to 10 k ohm. It has excellent heat dissipation performance and widely used in inverter braking. Ceramic encased resistor. The rated power of ceramic encased resistor is from 2 watts to 20 watts. It is non-flammable and has vertical and axial type for different PCB design. It is widely used in power supply, motor controller, and voltage driver. Current sense resistor. The rated power of current sense resistor is from 1 watt to 5 watts. The lowest resistance value is 5 milliohm and the resistance tolerance is up to 0.5%. It has low TCR and inductance, so that it is ideal for current sensing in inverter and power supplies.
Both JDC's factory are approved by ISO 9001, IATF 16949. All of our products get both REACH certificates. We invent 50% of revenue of new product development every year, so that we own a lot of patents for different resistors. JDC provides many resistors and solutions for some top 500 companies in the world, such as these brands. Besides these final customers, we also provide OEM and ODM service and build cooperation with some famous resistor manufacturers like Iwaki and RCD.
Now let's go to JDC's factory to see the automatic machines. High precision task machines and warehouse management. The first one you are seeing is the logging machine. It like transforms to the more current sensor resistor, repetitive chain, and specification. The second one you are seeing is our auto winding machine. It helps to wind the resistor wire on ceramic tube for customizing. Require resistor value. The one you are seeing now is the high precision resistance testing meter. The most important parameter of resistor is the resistance, so that we always use high precision resistance testing meter to ensure the quality of our manufactured resistors. All products will be used at 100%.
Besides high precision resistor testing meter, we also have many REST equipment for reliable tests like short time overload tester, constant temperature, and humidity test chamber, and cell tester, and so on. This is our warehouse, and it is strictly managed by following ISO standard and ERP system.
The area you can see is finished product area and material area. All of them will need to do inspection by following ISO requirements.
JDC always focus on providing the most suitable resistor solution for customers. Customer satisfied is the most important value for us. Welcome to visit our factory. Here below is our sales manager contact information. Feel free to contact him if you have any support of resistors.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.